Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. Wednesday morning, we got a couple of interesting events on the market since the last 2 days, and I would definitely say this week is gonna finish on a very profitable way and, of course, very interesting. So what do we have? Quick recap about the market. Wednesday, CPI for Great British Pound, 9:30 GMT, CPI 10 a.m. for the Euro, core CPI 1:30 GMT PM for Canada. Crude oil inventories, the day of the crude oil inventories today. Crude oil is going to be interesting, and gross domestic product in New Zealand. Tomorrow, Thursday, 19th of December, Bank of Japan press conference, 6:30 in the morning GMT. Retail sales for the Great British Pound, 9:30. Interest rate decision, definitely the event of the week, 12 GMT. So definitely GBP is the most volatile currency pair. We're gonna take a look in about a couple of minutes. And 3 gross domestic product reports, 2 for the Great British Pound and 1 for US on Friday. So as usual, we start with Euro US dollar. I'm totally bearish. We had a discussion about this momentum, slight upside correction against the short, the bearish momentum here. And right now, as you can see, the price is trying to break out, continue this bearish momentum, 1.1334, and I'm just gonna wait for a breakout of 1.1116. Totally bearish. Absolutely, the trend is completely down, even though we see some sides of an uptrend. But if you take a look, the bigger picture, definitely we could say it's quite similar to this movement here and this movement here, but in a long term it's going down. So totally bearish of the Euro US dollar for now. GBP US, it made its correction as we had a talk. 1.30 is my target to see and to start looking for buying opportunities for the Great British Pound. I am bullish because it's quite obvious that the GBP is performing very well since the last couple of 2-3 months. So this correction was completely expected, as we expected the correction here, as we expected the correction here. If you remember, we expected a little bit bigger than this particular one. Bigger correction, but didn't happen. Started ranging because of the UK election, went up like crazy, and after that, bigger correction that we usually could expect. Nothing to be surprised of. Australian US dollar, absolutely short opportunity. We took it, at least I took it, so 15-30 pips, nothing major. 0.6862 is our resistance now, 0.6829 is our support. We have many support and resistance lines here, 0.68, 0.6769, but for now Australian US is totally bearish. The New Zealand US, what about it? So as you can see, it's just breaking the link between the Australian US and New Zealand US. Australian dollar is bearish, New Zealand dollar is bullish, even though the major trend is absolutely down. As you can see on daily time frame, we still definitely can see correction to the downside, but New Zealand, there is a big chance to see New Zealand going up. So because of this, I'm just simply not gonna touch the New Zealand US dollar. I'm not gonna trade it. USD CAD going directly to the crude oil. I'm not gonna mention the forecast of ours, 63 to 60. It's trying to push higher. Yesterday simply went up with 70 cents, and I'm not gonna be surprised if we see 60, even 63 till the end of the year. Just very strong upward momentum is expected. USD Canadian, if we see crude oil, USD CAD supposed to go down, try to break out both of these support levels, 1.3146, 1.3130, and it created something that we call actually false breakout. But I think there is a lot of room and a lot of strength of the USD CAD to continue going down and to reach 1.3053. Really depends what's gonna happen in the next couple of days. Crude oil is crucial in order to give a direction to the crude oil. So let's take a look today. USD Swiss, absolutely short, finally reached 0.98 round number. And now we have to wait a little bit to see how the price is going to react between um, these two support and resistance line. 0.9842, 0.98 is are our boundaries. So simply around these levels it can make a correction, so be careful with the short trades. It can definitely go start going up, not in an uptrend. It's staying right below the major support, which is resistance already, and definitely we can see 0.97 in the upcoming weeks. And USD Japanese still hesitating, still trying to go down. As you can see, the long-term trend is completely down. It's like it's losing its bullish power, it's losing its bullish trend to the upside and reaching the resistance. And as you can see, just these highs are getting weak and more weaker. So simply this could be an indication of reversal of the trend. Not yet. I want to see breakout of 108.48 here, and then when we see the breakout, then we can say that it's confirmed and the trend has been changed. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you like it, of course. Comments below, share us and like us on the social medias. Show your friends what we do here, of course. Merry Christmas in advance, because I'm not quite sure I'm gonna record videos next week. Enjoy the holidays, of course. Have fun and expect my next video soon. Bye bye.